Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's already here. Elon Musk warns, AI could destroy humanity. Bill Gates says, AI will change the world more than the internet. And just this year, the godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, quit Google. Why? Because he fears what's coming. Welcome to AI Untold. Most people think AI is just ChatGPT or fun apps. But the truth? AI is changing our world faster than any technology before. I created this channel for one reason, to show you the hidden side of AI. Not rumors, not clickbait, real facts, real evidence. Every episode, you'll see news, research, and expert voices. We'll uncover what tech giants don't tell you, and why billionaires are warning us. Because the future is being written right now, and most people have no idea what's coming. Let's start with some cold, hard truth. Elon Musk once said, AI is more dangerous than nuclear weapons. That's not a sci-fi writer. That's the man who built Tesla and SpaceX. Bill Gates wrote, "The age of AI has begun." He believes it will impact health, education, and jobs more than the internet ever did. And Geoffrey Hinton, a pioneer who invented deep learning. He left Google after decades of work. His reason? He fears AI could escape human control. And this isn't just talk. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs could be automated by AI. Doctors, teachers, drivers, even creative work, like design and music. Look around you. Banks are using AI to approve loans. Courts are testing AI to predict crime. Militaries are building autonomous drones. This isn't the future. This is now. Here's the problem. Most channels hype AI like a magic tool. But that's not the full story. AI isn't just exciting. It's risky. It's political. It's about who controls the future. That's why this channel exists. To bring you facts with proof, screenshots, tweets, news sources you can trust. No drama, just the truth.